Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? This time, absolutely, Filecoin is completely and the profit now, and 0.02% just in only last 1 hour is in the profit. Congratulations, my brothers. So this time you can see here Filecoin is in the profit. The very huge and the very important update, my friend, I will tell you. So kindly must watch this video to understand better now. The change occurred last 7 days, the last 24 hours, the last 1 hour, all change occurring completely positive now. That's mean to Filecoin is under trending, and this time and all crypto market is wake up. So this time you can see here Filecoin is also, my friend, moving upward now. You can see here the price updates of 48.83 USD dollar as the latest price of Filecoin. The price is very, my friends, not a cheap price for whether, but currently if you have any plan to invest more in Filecoin, so I think this is very risky coin, but kindly before, my friends, you take this risk, please research personally. And absolutely, my friend, if you research personally what's your decision, please also share it in a comment box. Please, this will be very important for all of you. Let's see, my brothers, to what my friend, my prediction and what's my opinion. Please must watch this video and absolutely please research personally before you take any decision. So this is not a financial video, remember. This time, my brother, you can see here after this fails, my friends, they will start moving upward and definitely in very short time, my friends, they will get a very good profit now. So that's mean, my brothers, so they will go in the moon now, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will also give you a very good profits now. So Filecoin holder, my prediction is going to be positive now. I know to in upcoming time they will move upward, but just in only, my friend, you need to hold it, and if you have any plan to invest more, so go now, invest now. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, Filecoin holder. Please like video and subscribe to YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.